My name is Roseanne, and I've been coming to Dr. Haas for about 5 years. I herniated my disc at L2 and L3, never had pain medicine, did the exercises, and then got adjusted, and now I'm being adjusted once a month. And I swear by it. It's the best thing. I feel so good afterwards, and I've never had any problems with my back like a lot of people have.
How long had you had this problem before you came to see Dr. Haas?
I had it because I'd come to see Dr. Haas for another thing. I got injured on a trip on a boat, and then a couple weeks later I did the thing to my back. So I came immediately to Dr. Haas for that.
Okay. About how long did it take you before you were feeling better?
From the original injury to my back, my herniation of the disc.
Since when you first started coming to Dr. Haas, how long did it take you to start feeling better?
Maybe about 6 weeks.
Okay. Were you happy with the overall results and care that Dr. Haas provided?
Yes, very, very, very happy. And I refer him to everybody that I know.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Madeline, and I've been seeing Dr. Haas for about 5 years.
Will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
Sure. When I first came to see Dr. Haas, I was looking for a way to avoid having cortisone shots in my hips because I was having pain, and doctors thought that was the best way to take care of the pain in my hips, but they couldn't tell me what was wrong. So I found Dr. Haas actually on the internet and made an appointment and came and visited Dr. Haas, and he immediately came back to me with a plan of how I could be healthier and would not feel pain anymore. And Dr. Haas worked with me for about a month, and after that I felt much, much better, and I don't need any sort of medicine any longer. I haven't for years, actually.
How long had you had this problem before you came in?
About 4 years.
And Dr. Haas was able to help you?
He was.
About how long did it take before you were feeling better?
I was feeling better almost immediately, but completely without pain, probably about a month.
So you were happy with the overall results and the care that Dr. Haas provided?
So much so that I still see Dr. Haas on a semi-regular basis.
Would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
I do recommend Dr. Haas. Not only would I, but I do.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Hi, my name is Michael.
And how long have you been a patient with Dr. Haas?
3 years.
Will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
I have had neck issues, low back pain, knots in my back.
How long had you had this problem?
Off and on since I was in my early 20s.
Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Yes.
About how long did it take before you were feeling better?
The first time it took about 3 to 4 visits, and I started seeing a good release.
Were you happy with the overall results and the care that Dr. Haas provided?
Yes,
Would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
most definitely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kevin,
Okay. Kevin, will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
I had a tightness in my left shoulder and a little in the neck.
How long had you had this problem?
Several years.
Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Yes.
About how long did it take before you were feeling better?
Initially, about 3 adjustments.
Okay. Were you happy with the overall results and the care that Dr. Haas provided?
Complete.
Would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
I would.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right. That's it.
All right.
Hi, my name is Sean.
Sean, will you share with us what kinds of problems you were having when you first came to see Dr. Haas?
Had real bad lower back problems. L4 and L5 had some light tears and had back problems for 20 plus years.
Okay. Was Dr. Haas able to help you?
Absolutely. Been coming to Dr. Haas for probably 2 years.
How long did it take before you were feeling better?
Pretty fast. Getting multiple adjustments, getting massage therapy, within the first month or so, started feeling significantly better.
Okay. Were you happy with the overall results and care that Dr. Haas provided?
Absolutely.
Would you recommend Dr. Haas to your family, friends, and colleagues?
Sure will. I already have.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doc.